Hello, welcome to Simon's Trading Channel. Happy Thursday to you. Hope you're well and you've enjoyed your day. Can you believe it's Thursday? I just don't know where the time goes. Do you remember like when you were young and, I mean you might still be young, I'm certainly not. And a minute would feel like forever. And then you sort of get to a certain age, I don't know, it sort of sneaks up on you. I think for me it's been about the last 5 years, so since I turned 40. And the velocity of my life is really quite significant. And getting close to the dangerous end of 40, I do wish I could put the brakes on a bit, but you can't. I've been listening to a load of, this is just slightly off piste, sorry to bore you, but I've been listening to loads of podcasts when doing, school runs and things on Stoicism and a Greek philosopher called Epictetus, and he was a great. Him and one of the Roman emperors, Marcus Aurelius, who was made famous by the film Gladiator, of course. They were both big Stoics, and one of the Stoic principles is don't live in the past, or don't dwell on the past. Don't worry about the future. Just be in the moment. So, yeah. Anyway, this moment is about Bitcoin. So here we go. Daily chart. Looks like a nice uptrend. All right. Now, I haven't got any lines. Nice naked chart. You'll be pleased to know I'm fully clothed. But the chart be naked. Not quite. Look, I'm MACD at the bottom. Not quite naked. And the momentum on the daily still to the upside, obviously. Don't need a MACD to tell you that. So we have, this is the range low now, and we've got a high, low, a high. This, I think you can just about label a high or low, but it would be more convincing as well if price action got above this high. And it's taken a breath, which is completely fine. I didn't expect Bitcoin just to bust on through to all-time new highs today, and nor do I tomorrow, actually. But we'll come up with a couple of theories, hopefully ones of logic right now. As with regards to trend continuation, and then areas of corroboration for that, and areas of whoa, what's going on here? That's my VPN, my NordVPN, which I'd recommend to anyone, by the way. Money well spent, that NordVPN. What was I saying? Yeah, so we'll look for areas to confirm continuation of trend and areas that would refute that. Okay, so that's a daily chart. I don't think I've got anything more to say about that. No, we ran over the 50% retracement thing yesterday. So onto a 4-hour. Oh, now what's going on with the internet? Sorry about that. That was all a bit weird. It was something to do with the VPN. Anyway, it's working now. Yes, so I'm going to zoom down to the 4-hour, and here it is. We can see the uptrend, and we can see it's getting close to the all-time high. It's getting close to the top of the range, and it is indeed responding to some resistance, as I pointed out in yesterday's video, which is completely logical, seeing as this is an all-time high, and then any any of these are within sort of spitting distance of it, and therefore there's bound to be a resistance. Now, if we just zoom in a wee bit more, just get the 4 hour. So here's the uptrend on the 4 hour. See momentum still to the upside. It is pulling back a bit, and I wouldn't take this number too seriously, but 63,000 is the point in which, at its current rate of change, the MACD will cross the zero line, but that will almost certainly change, almost certainly be, I think, lower or higher. Anyway, it will change as the MACD gets close to the zero line. But at the moment, it's still to the upside, so you still got to look for a bit more upside. With regards to areas of interest, you can see the obvious support resistance, which I talked about yesterday, which is like a band, basically between 66.5 and, yeah, just there, 67.5. If I was super clever and cool, I could draw a rectangle on. But maybe I'll struggle on that cool test. I don't often draw rectangles, which is why I haven't instantly known where to grab one. Oh, got a little icon on. No, I don't think I'll bother. Wait, what are you doing? Put me back over there. Okay, never mind. So anyway, yeah. So basically this whole area here is would likely provide Bitcoin with some serious support should it pull all the way back down to there. Now, let's say it doesn't, but I think it is doing a pullback. So let's just say that we're taking this as a move from here to here. That would have a 50% at sort of 69,200, and I think on the daily you can see, I'm going to sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Wow, that was a big one. I'm nearly gave myself a whiplash on that one. You can see that this is a significant area where all these daily candles, either closed or opened, is at 69.5. So I think that sort of somewhere between 69 and 69.5. If this pullback continues, see it better on the 4 hour. So of this move up, if this pullback continues, I'd like to see it move back to the upside, somewhere between, what was it, 69.2 and 69.5. So kind of the top half of this sort of scrappiness here. If it started to close below there, then you'd hope it would get support at 66.5. If it started to close below there, certainly on a daily time frame, then that would make this look a bit like a double top. And a double top is a failed higher high, and a failed higher high, if it leads to a lower low, is a change in trend. And so, yeah, that would mean that this range is going on for even longer again, you know. Daily closes back below 66.5 in my humble opinion, and there's at least another week within the range. That's why I'm going to stick it out there right now. And you know, in the long term, or in the longer term, as in over the next, say, 18 months, if Bitcoin is going to continue to the upside, the longer it goes sideways here, the more ammunition it's got to then continue upwards. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Right, that's nearly 10 minutes. I'm going to leave it there. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please like and subscribe, and if you haven't, don't come back tomorrow because I'll be doing it all again. Okay, take care, enjoy the rest of your Thursday. Bye.